Hello everyone and welcome to the hands-on review of the new Amazfit GPS watch from Xiaomi, or at least it's sold under the Xiaomi ecosystem. This is the GTR 47mm model, and there is some info on the box. You can pause the video if you wish to read that, but I am just going to take it out of the box, and I want to see how this thing looks. And look at that, looks really nice, but this is a sticker and I'm going to peel it off. And let's see what else we get here. So the watch will come out just like that. It has a very nice band, looks like leather, but it may be something synthetic. And underneath that it has something looking like a rubber or plastic, but has these protrusions that will actually keep the band away from your skin and will prevent transpiration from happening. And underneath the watch itself there are plenty of various sensors, and we are going to test if those work. The box has this thing here, which is interesting, and you can pull this, and look how much they thought about it. So you pull this off and this will take the box out. So Xiaomi, in their minimalistic way, they are always thinking of making interesting stuff from nothing. So look at the shape of this cardboard, but this is not a cardboard review, but I'm amazed by this. So this will take it out of the box, then you can open this flap, and inside you get this booklet, which is in various languages and English is included, which I love. And there's also some stuff here, and probably it's the charging cable or charging dock, and it has this docking. So is this magnetic? Yes, it is. It will just clamp like that. So when I was ordering this watch, I was thinking that 47mm might be too much for a smartwatch and would make it look too thick or too large in diameter, and it will look stupid on my hand. And I'm actually impressed by its appearance and its sleek design. And this is my older smartwatch. This is a Cospet smartwatch. This has very good hardware. It's very well designed, has very good screen and very good performance, but this thing is huge in comparison with this one, as it's very thick. This actually has a camera here, but look at the thickness difference. So this ends somewhere around here, as the bottom is bent and has this extra here. So the Amazfit is really thin, and in diameter this one it's actually bigger. So the Amazfit 47 is not that big as you might think it is, and with this really nice band it will look really good on your wrist. It's not looking like a huge smartwatch like my previous one was looking, and I really enjoy this. And now let's go further. So to use this you need to use the Amazfit app, and now I need to bind. So I'm going to select watch here, and the GTR is the first on the available models. And Bluetooth is off. I'm going to turn it on. Okay, we have a shortcut here. I'm going to allow it, Yes, alright, so you need to permit this to have various access to resources on your mobile phone. And to not have any kind of issues, I'm going to enable permission for all the stuff, so the Chinese can take all my data. I don't care. And now I need to pair with the watch, so scan the QR code. Let's see. So open the Amazfit to bind, and there is no QR code. Let's see what I need to do. Keep the watch close to your phone. Yes, I'm doing that. And confirm pairing. And I'm going to click accept. So it looks like the setup is really simplified. Restoring watch settings. I'm not replacing the device, it's the first Amazfit watch that I have. Updating the firmware, so it didn't even ask me if I want to update the firmware or not. It just went right ahead to update it. I hope that the watch has enough battery to complete the update successfully. So the update was successful, and I have managed to connect the watch to my power bank, so I had the opportunity to charge while uploading the firmware, so hopefully that was okay. And it started the app, and it says here that it's connecting, and I have a lot of things here like watch face settings, unlock screen, incoming call, event reminder, watch alarm, app alerts, idle alerts, find watch, and there is plenty of stuff here. And the watch is still doing something, and it has booted up, and now it shows that it's charging. And this screen is absolutely fabulous. I don't know if you can see this. This is an OLED screen, and it looks really good, and it's still updating something. So updating resource library, I'm going to let it finish that, and it shows that on my phone also. So the update was finished successfully, and now it's updating the GPS, the assisted GPS. It's downloading a list of satellites, so it will get a GPS lock faster. And that was also finished, and I'm now at the main screen, and once again this screen, it's amazing. It looks so sharp, so clear, has vibrant colors, and you can wake it up by touching it. And let's see, if I slide it that way, I get these steps. It's measuring my heart rate, but it's not on my wrist, so I'm going just to keep it like that. Hopefully it will not throw an error. Let's see, will it work? And yep, it's working all right. Let's see what else do we get here. So it switches between those menus. Now if I go that way, I get various things here, a lot of things here. And if I go that way, I have shortcuts for locking it and various other stuff. And let's see if I can do anything else defaultly. So this is a back button here. This will turn on or off the screen, and this thing takes us to more advanced settings, or at least it looks like that. So it goes into the fitness mode, and probably all of that is programmable from the app. So let's take a quick look into the app. So it shows the battery level, and here it's the menu for online watch faces. So when this was released, it only had something like 5 or 10 faces, and there are already a lot of new faces added, and they will keep adding them, and more than 100 are incoming or something like that. And of course there are a lot of settings, including the band location, if it's on your left wrist, on your right wrist, heart rate detection, and you have detection method, detection frequency, activity detection, heart rate alert. So you get a lot of things here. Weather settings, you can set your city, set your units, push weather alerts, and of course you can check for firmware and other stuff. Now let's take a quick look through the menu. So we have the heart rate, the workout, and we have plenty of available exercises, from swimming to climbing and skiing, and it will be interesting to test how those work. And activities, no historic data, and weather. And for weather, look at that, how nice it looks. So it shows humidity, it shows the upcoming weather. It's very nice, very pleasant, colored. You may laugh when I say colored, but it has nice graphics and it looks really good. It's pleasant to check the weather. I like how the sun is yellow, how the humidity is blue, how it has this nice graphic of the sunrise and sunset, the upcoming weather. It's looks like a finished product, or although it's just barely launched and it's running on just updated firmware. So I like that very much. So let's see further. So that was the weather, music. You can control this to, of course, listen to music, event reminder, alarm, of course, more. You have a compass here, and it needs to be calibrated, and I have quickly calibrated that, and the compass works. It shows the north in the correct way, and you have the air pressure, which is really nice. So this has a barometer inside, the altitude, and here it searches for GPS. And once again, I really like the screen. It has really good colors, so you can change the measurement using the second button here. So I'm going to go back. Let's see what else we have. So we have a timer, countdown, find mobile. All right, and what else we can see here? So in settings we have the watch face. It comes with two faces pre-installed, and you can use the ones available on the app already. Screen on duration, for now it doesn't have always on, but that may come soon. And let's see what else we have. Quick startup system, so it shows various stuff about the watch, and I have this really nice quick menu here, and it even has a torchlight function, so the watch will light up white and it will aid you in the dark. You have the brightness mode here, it's automatic or manual, so I'm going to leave it to automatic. And what else does it do? So we have the do not disturb mode, and we have this battery saver, and this option screen locked, so you need to press a button to unlock it, and that's good when you are wearing this under some sleeve that somehow will wake up the watch, as this is touch sensitive, so when you touch it, it will automatically turn on. So using that lock function and waiting for the screen to turn off, it will not unlock, and that's a good thing to have. So for now I'm really impressed with the screen quality and how well it works with the app, how easy it is to install and sync, and I'm anxious to use it in modes such as cycling, to check my heart rate, to measure my calories, to see how that goes, and I'm going to do that very soon. So be sure to follow my next uploads, and I want to ask you to leave me questions about this watch. Let me know what you want to find out about it, and if there are things that you want me to test and tell you about. So be sure to leave a comment and tell me what do you want to find out about this, and I'm going to do probably another video, a second video about it, and I'm going to try to answer your questions as best I can. So until my next upload and the second part of this review, I did told you at the beginning that this is going to be a hands-on review because this has just arrived. Until then, see you and bye bye.